So the QX 350 is in repair right now. So the reason why it crashed the other day is because the wire came up apart here a little bit. I'm hoping that was it, but I'm still repairing because of the body has always been cracked there. So and almost gonna be done here pretty soon. Like a million little screws. Getting some tips on how to do everything here. So get back to you, see if it flies, see if it fixes it. That's a big waste of time if it doesn't. So after hours working late night, just glued this back on. The GPS was broken, soldered the wire back together. I think this is for the gimbal. I just cut it off the circuit and I just left it out. And so it doesn't have no gimbal anyway. So I got all the props. So I'm just gonna figure out. I had it hooked up to the PC last night, and then so I'm gonna see if the motors they ran just right. So the one wire was almost coming off on this motor here. That it was almost disconnected pretty much. So I think that's the reason why. And I think I had the props all mixed up. So now we just need to put a battery in, and then so this GoPro tore off that mounting there, and then it went into the grass the last time it crashed, and I barely found the GoPro back. You can see me digging around for it. So we're gonna get everything all put back together and see if she flies good again. Okay, I know you can buy parts for it and everything. It's still dirt cheap, but let's make do. So I still got a lot of. This thing has like 1,000 little screws, so if you're changing the body on one of these, be prepared for taking all the screws out. So here is a brand new body on the bottom there. So anyway, I'll put the camera back on when it's put together, and we're gonna do a test here. So I'll just show you the test. So enable testing here. So we're trying out everything here. So that's pretty cool. And 2. Got it all hooked up to the computer here. 4. Fourth motor, third motor. So go rotate blinking rotor. So which one's blinking? 1. So rotate 2. Rotate 3. Rotate 4. Please restart your QX 350. So everything's all working. I think that's pretty cool. Calibrations, GPS information, altitude, velocity, device information. Okay, now we're gonna test it. Just waiting for the GPS. There you go. Okay. Face it at the camera.
I don't know.
You're not. Face it at the helicopter. Right, face it out.
Yeah, I am.
It works again.
Can I try driving it? What?
Oh, it works again.
What? Can I try it?
So it's working. again. Okay. Lower it down the camera. Oh, working good again. Look, I'm gonna hit return home twist. It's gonna land by itself. Just bring it over here. See, watch this, Chase. Gonna hit return home. Look, it's going back to it. Right there. Whoa! That's not where it's gonna go. Oh, shit.
I'm working something right now.
What's up? Mine.
I'm working. Don't cry.
High wind. You're facing it way too high, the camera. Chase.
I don't know how to work this. You.
I don't know what I'm gonna do now. It's gonna have to crash it or something. Hey, hey, get inside. Hey, get inside. Get inside. Chase, get inside.
That's you.
It could hurt you to.
That's you.